Hi guys, this is MD Channel for English. My name is Mazen, and today we have a new video of how to use American idioms every day. Today's video is really simple and easy. Do I have to paint you a picture? Do I have to paint you a picture? Well, if you'd like to know the meaning, then keep watching. Hi again. What does it mean, do I have to paint you a picture, or do I need to paint you a picture? Well, it means, do I have to explain it very simple or easier than that? It is a kind of response like we use usually to ask a yes-no question to the person who does not understand if we explain it and we believe that it's very simple to be understood. Or we believe that it's really easy and doesn't need explanation. So we usually say in that tone, do I have to paint you a picture? So I believe nowadays we have a lot of cases that we can use this idiom for. So like one of my friends told me recently that why people are so worried these days. And I said, excuse me, do I have to paint you a picture? Well, it's the coronavirus. It's spreading everywhere really fast. So sometimes you make it really easy for people to explain or to explain in details so some people can understand what is the critical situation that you're facing or you're into. Now, another example we can say, well, I was just telling my brother that I don't work these days. He said, okay, but can you lend me some money? And I said, excuse me, do I have to paint you a picture? I'm telling you that I'm not working, which means, okay, that I don't have money. Finally, I would like to thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, if you like it, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos.